Right, we parked in the Castle Dinas car park. It costs £2 to park there. You put it in the box. That's in Pengenfford and Brecon Beacons. So I'm going to put the £2 in the box now. I've actually brought my son with me, Alex. He's getting ready. I'm trying to put the waterproofs on so because it's starting to rain. Say morning, Alex.
Morning.
Oh, he's not a morning person really. Well, he's not a day person. That's all. Right, trying to get changed. Right, it's 7:20 or 7:30 in the morning. It's quite quiet at the moment. So we'll start a trail. It's just here, I think Alex has already started. He's on his phone. Right. Right, start the track. I'll update you in a bit. I did forget to say where we're off to. We're off to Waun Fach or Waun Fach. I don't know how to pronounce it in Welsh. I apologise for my pronunciation. And then over to Tumpa, or also known as Lord Herefords Knob, apparently. I need to look at the reason why it's called that. So I did have a childish giggle when I first read that. I'm going to try and do this holding the camera and my walking poles without falling in. Success. This is the start of the trail up, obviously that way, then it goes round behind these trees and up the side of the hill, then round the back, then we start climbing up to Waun Fach. Cloud is coming in. We're looking off. We're off up that direction. You can't see the peak. It's directly up the middle, up there somewhere. Right, onwards and upwards. Get to it. Nearly at the top of the first climb. Cloud of clags not holding off, not too bad, it's a little bit visible. This is where we come behind where we come from. I'll turn you around. You can see a little bit, we definitely let's check this phone. It's straight up at the moment, and then along the ridge line when we get there. Right, get to it. Right, I think this is top Tumpa, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm sure I'm getting corrected. So, at the top of the ridge, now follow it through to Waun Fach. There's not any views at all. Clag or clouds low, blocking everything. Only views my sun in front of me. Peering out of the clouds is up to the summit of Waun Fach. Only a bit further to go to top. I'll see you there. Right, just reached the top of Waun Fach. Sorry, edit that out. Fach. OS marker. It's not much of a cairn. I think they've dismantled most of it. Now we need to go that way, down, along to Tumpa summit, or Lord Herefords Knob. I can't help but smile when I everybody say that. Right, can't show you any views because there's no views, just cloud and grass. Right, bye. Right, trying to protect the microphone a little bit from the wind. It's not much report, it's still really windy, chilly, it's a bit chilly, and the rain's eased off a little bit, but the wind's picked up a lot. Another cairn, right, which one this is, on the I can't pronounce it. Right, just over 9k in. Still, wind's dropped, or wind stopped. A little bit of breeze. Rain stopped, but there's still no views on the path. I'll update you further along if there's anything to report. Right, just in time. The cloud cover is gone. The wind has dropped. See the Tumpa, Lord Herefords Knob. Just approaching that. So climb up there. I'll show you the top. Hopefully it's starting to clear. You can see some scenery now, so hopefully at the top we get a good view. I need to change the battery in the camera. The top of it's flat. Alright, see you at the top. Bye. Drop down from the hills. You see the hills up there. We now drop down and we're going to skirt round back to the car park. We need another maybe 6 miles through the pass down there, skirt round the bottom. The views are nice now. It's cleared. Lovely. I'll just on this thing again. Right, we're skirting down the bottom of along the bottom of the mountains now, so we're going along that way around the bottom, and the track takes us hopefully back to the car park. So I'm going to stop for a cup of coffee and something to eat. At the moment, just here. Well, no sooner as we sat down for something to eat, got the cooking equipment out, it starts to rain, so quick pack up, get the bag sealed, and then start our walk again. Right, it's stopped raining. The sun's come out a bit again. I wish it'd make its mind up. On a single track road now. Let's see where this leads us. Still going. We've got another, the GPS says another hour, about an hour and a half to go. Alex just tripped. I think There's some more rain coming in over there. That's a couple of spots. So this is where we were earlier on this morning, along those ridge lines at the top there. But at the moment we're going straight, then down to the right and follow the paths back to the car park. As I said just now, I've seen rain coming in and it's here. Even the sheep are taking cover, I think. Horses and sheep up front. Right, they're scattering. Good. These rocks are wet and slippery when you step. Finally made it back to the car park, up these steps and to the car. Oh, a steep step, that one. Right, car park's a lot busier than it was in the park this morning. Right, back in the car. It's total 22.8 kilometers today. So I'll put on the screen what it is in miles. So I'm glad to be back. Need to get my shoes off and put my comfy shoes on for driving back. Thank you.